Point 5, we get to classify prime and composite numbers. We're still working with factors. Why would we be working with factors? What's our big push? What skill are we trying to build? Yep, we're still trying to build multiplication. Okay. Since I'm here, let me show you there are several ways to show multiplication. This, and sometimes those parentheses when it's right next to the two numbers are right next to each other with parentheses, that's also multiplication. Some time this morning to list all the factors for 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, and 16. Okay, you're probably asking yourself at this point, what are prime and what are composite numbers? Okay, let me define those two ideas for you. What is a prime number, sir?
It's a number that is only divisible by itself and 1.
Yes. Did you notice, first of all, that all the numbers are have 1 as a factor? Okay, so all numbers have that in common. They have 1 as a factor. You're going to see that all even numbers have something in common, that they have 2 as a factor. That's right. Good. This gentleman here is correct. A prime number. Prime to me, I think of some words that connect to it. One of them is primary. Primary means this, 1. Okay? Prime or primary means 1. That means that the number, prime number, is only has 2 factors. 1 always, but itself as well. Okay? Since all the numbers have 1 as a factor, you got to think that other primary number that it has as a factor is itself. And that's it. So prime numbers are, who can help me? Which ones have I listed which are prime numbers? Yes. 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 And 11. In this list, these are my prime numbers. Okay? The other numbers are called composite number. I can think of some other words which connect with composite. Compound, comprise, composite. It means I'm putting, there's several parts to it, I guess. Okay? So the other numbers are composite numbers. How about I do this? Prime numbers I've circled. Composite numbers are divisible by itself, by 1, and by other numbers. So it could be 3 or more numbers in this case. Which numbers are composite numbers are you recognizing at this point? Yes, sir. 4, 10, and 16. Okay? Thumbs up with prime numbers. How are we feeling about it? Or thumb sideways or thumbs down? Okay, thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. How are you feeling about composite numbers? Okay. Your homework tonight. So you're going to be asked on page 44 today to just create some lists of the factors of numbers, and then you're going to classify whether it's either a prime or a composite number by doing this. You'll put a P or prime in a box, and you'll put a C or write the word composite in a box for those numbers which fit the description prime or composites. Okay. Tonight on your homework, you're going to be taking it another step further. I need eyes, I need eyes, I need eyes. Okay. How are we feeling about this exercise here, identifying prime and composite? I only have about half the people who've given me some feedback. Okay. On your homework tonight, you're going to be taking it another step further. After you've identified all the factors, you're going to identify the prime numbers in those factors. So like 4, what are the prime numbers in these factors? Yes. And you're going to be circling them like this. Okay. What about 5? We have this one, right? I don't think you have to circle 1. 1 is a prime number, I suppose, but you don't have to circle it. Okay. How about 10? What prime numbers do I have here? Yes, sir.
5.
Yep.
2.
Yep. 10 is just a composite by itself, right? What about 16? What are my prime numbers here? Yeah, yep, that's it. Okay. So that'll be your exercise on your homework. You're taking it to another level, identifying prime and composite numbers tonight.